Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a TSA Precheck to the United app. First, what you need to do is you need to find your known traveler number. This is the KTN, right? Which is issued when you're approved for a TSA Precheck. So you just find it in your TSA Precheck approval email or by logging into the, Universal Enroll and this URL. Okay, this one right here. Then what you need to do is you need to add the TSA PreCheck to your United Mileage Plus profile. So you just open up the United app and tap on Profile and Preferences, and then just go ahead and select Personal Information. Then I want you to scroll down to Known Traveler Number. Just enter your KTN and save the changes. And if you've already booked a flight, you just go to My Trips in the United app, select your flight, and tap Edit Traveler Information, and just enter your known traveler number, your KTN number, and save it. Okay, make sure you save it. And before you head to the airport, just check your United boarding pass. You should see the TSA PreCheck logo near your name, and if it's missing, just double check your KTN and name spelling matches exactly with your TSA records. Really that easy and simple. If you're still having trouble, you can contact United Customer Service at this number. So, I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you in the next one.